In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extract data from the HubSpot CRM. We'll walk through the process step by step, focusing on exporting data specifically from the tickets page. This will be particularly useful if you need to analyze your customer support interactions or gain insights into various trends and patterns. Let's get started. First, you should be aware of which records you can export from the HubSpot CRM. HubSpot allows you to export various data points, but for the purpose of this tutorial, we'll zero in on the tickets page. This is a practical choice because ticketing data can provide valuable insights into the customer support side of your business. Now, to find this page, head over to the navigation menu on the left side of your screen. Here, you'll need to click on CRM to reveal further options. Within the CRM dropdown, click on Tickets. This will lead you to the section where all the ticketing information is gathered and displayed. Once you're on the tickets page, you'll notice an export button conveniently located at the upper right corner of your screen. Clicking this button is the key to beginning the extraction process. It's straightforward and user-friendly, designed to not overwhelm users with technical details. After clicking on Export, you'll need to configure your preferred settings. This involves selecting options such as the file format you'd like the exported data to be in. HubSpot typically offers common formats like CSV, which are easily handled by spreadsheet software like Excel or Google Sheets. Make sure you select the format that best suits your needs for analyzing and manipulating the data. Finally, click on the Export button to confirm your settings and begin the download of your data. Depending on the amount of information you're processing, this could take a few moments. Once complete, your file should be available for review and analysis. The process we've gone over is not exclusive to just ticket data. If you're looking to export other types of data from your CRM, like contacts or sales, you can navigate to the respective pages and follow the same steps we just discussed. The intuitive interface ensures that exporting data is a seamless process across different CRM sections. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to extract data from HubSpot CRM. This skill is crucial for keeping your data organized and making informed decisions based on robust analytics. Feel free to explore and experiment with other sections of HubSpot using these same steps and enhance your understanding of customer relationship management. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, be sure to like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.